Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to repair or missing corrupted system files of your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to repair or fix your missing or corrupted file systems of your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this type of issues. First of all, you have to open the command prompt. For that, you just need to click on this start menu, then type here cmd. After that, you will see command prompt. You just need to right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes. Here you need to type two commands one by one. First command is sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, you just need to close and type the second command. Again, you have to open the command prompt, type cmd, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you will type the second command, dism space / online space cleanup. Before cleanup, you have to type / then type cleanup -image space / restore health. Then hit enter. After completion of this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be fixed. That's it guys. This was a simple method to repair missing or corrupted file systems on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.